Okay, I found this in a driveway. It's been crushed. It's obviously no use anymore. It's been run over, and it looks really like it'll make a really nice demo piece, nonetheless. Okay, let's see what this is. It is, I think you could call it a ratchet strap, because it's got this ratchet thing here, and it's obviously been crushed to fuckery. It's been crushed, so it's not going to be much use, any use, except in this demo. I've got a bit of some leaves stuck to it. Get rid of those. Don't know why I got that on there. Whatever, folks, whatever. Stuff it, won't bother. Just put it on the glasses. Is ratchet strap. Obviously, that's what it is. And it's just damaged beyond repair, obviously. Can't repair something that badly wrecked. I actually think maybe it might be better as an A6 piece. But yeah, it's been damaged by something or other. Don't know what ran it over. Yeah, looks interesting. Don't think it's quite what I'm after though. I think the underside of it might look better, actually. I do think this side has got more going for it, so I'm going to just turn it over. Just put it on the side, its belly. Just try to make this look really nice. Put it in the A6 area. Okay. Thought for a moment I lost my settings, farting around too much. Yeah, that's come up looking quite interesting. I do think it might be better if I pushed it up a bit into the corner. Yeah, that looks interesting. Still looks like it's not quite the way I'd like it to be. Could be like that. It could look good like this. move this out of the way. This is a bit sunny, unfortunately. Sunny. I hate it when it shines on my bed like that. One of the many things I have to live with doing things on a low budget is bad lighting. This is not having to do it during the day instead of at night. I can't afford to run the house lights anymore. I have to use torches and a USB lantern to keep my electricity costs down. I'm also rationing showers, like 1 shower a week and one hair wash every fortnight, because I'm trying to get on the 6 o'clock news and they don't seem to be noticing my work. And I forgot to press 2 copies, so I'm going to make another one. So I'm doing this on as much of a low budget as possible, with the costs of living coming and strangulating everything. Because it's just like everything's just costing too much, folks. This is what we've got. These are our mirror images. So everything's just costing way too much a bomb, so to speak. Too expensive, in other words. And power is important, of course, and you have to fucking conserve it. And I can't afford to have it cut off. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. That would be a shame, a terrible disaster to have your power cut. Virtually no one can live without power. Pretty much, most people, the majority. Anyway, enough of that. That's come up looking quite interesting. I think we can now call this demo quits.